Made a video of our homestead. This is going down the driveway, just going, on our property. Here's kind of an overview of our place. The house, we have 5 acres. It goes out well past these pipes that are laying here on the ground. Future antenna project goes way down to that ravine. That's a horse corral that is on our property. Clearly, I don't have horses. This is just open desert. All this stuff pretty much down below us is on our land. Our property goes really close to that house there over on the left. And we'll take a little look around sort of the main part of our yard. It's our greenhouse. And here Dennis is going to do a little showing off with his drone skills. He's got to be careful of antennas. He's using a heads-up display of goggles, virtual reality goggles, and what he's seeing is what we're seeing. Our deck here is just really, really handy. It's really nice. All year long we can use it. It's covered. It's never that hot. We have a circle driveway that is just amazingly handy. There's Dennis standing there flying the drone. This is sort of our, you might say, front yard, and just the desert landscaping, I guess. These are just native plants. It's the side yard, some antenna masts for various existing or future or past antennas. Took a little view around the area here. Away we go. That's looking east. That's just west. That's just the sun setting. The sun setting is set for us, but not for the drone. That's our place down there. Pretty well, a lot of what's in the screen is ours. Again, Dennis showing off. Alrighty, so there you go.